na isunod, nadamag mo lang ni Madam Rosita, natakon, baka kung sila pa nakton, nakita kami. So, I have to be with you, and it's my privilege and honor to be with you, our dear graduates.
Message of Honorable Jasil A. Lapus, DepEd Secretary.
Our Honorable Vice Mayor, Honorable Rogelio Lorenzana, sir. Our guest speaker represented by the sister, I think, Madam Rosita Pascua, the school principal, Mr. Edgar Llanes, the head teacher, the Tagudin National High School staff, faculty and staff, to all the parents of this 452 graduates of this school, and most especially the actors and the main characters of this ceremony, our graduates, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Allow me to read to you the graduation speech of Honorable Jasil A. Lapus, the Secretary of the Department of Education. This speech is being read throughout the Philippines in all graduation ceremonies like this, whether it be elementary and secondary. And I quote, "My dear parents, teachers, students, and guests, education is the foundation of economic prosperity, individual liberty, justice, and self-worth." So said President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. That pronouncement served as our marching order, and it has since found concrete expression in every policy being drafted, in every reform being initiated, and in every project being conceptualized at the Department of Education. Under the administration of President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, education has become a priority in terms of resource allocation and focus of educational reforms through your Education Secretary, Jasil A. Lapus. With the full support of the President, we were able to
Government Tagudin National High School, Tagudin, Ilocos Sur, as the most outstanding SSG regional search for the most outstanding Supreme Student Government and Advisor, school year 2007-2008. Given this March 28, 2008 at Tagudin, Ilocos Sur during the school's recognition day. This certificate of recognition is awarded to Katrina L. Lovendino, most outstanding SSG President in Region 1. Also awarded to Katrina L. Lovendino. For the most outstanding SSG Secretary, the same certificate of recognition and medallion is awarded to the same certificate of recognition and medallion is also awarded to Angelique G. Quito. Outstanding SSD officer, peace officer in Region 1. And medallion is awarded to Raymond A. Lorenzana, most outstanding head of the Special Projects Committee of the Supreme Student Government in Region 1. Awarded to Joanna Jane Q. Bukol, most outstanding SSD 40 representative in Region 1.
Of Mr. and Mrs. Alfredo Lorenzana from Salvation Officer. Honors, Junjun M. Sanchez, with a general average of 88 and 31/100%. Junjun is the son of Mr. and Mrs. Norberto Sanchez. He is from Quirino, Tagudin, Ilocos Sur. Mylene L. Villanueva, with a general average of 88 and 26/100%. Mylene is the daughter sponsored by a committee headed by Madame Euphemia Daus Fonacher. To announce the best Tagudin National High School history writers, may we request Mrs. Mirna P. the Tagudin National High School nurse.